I don't think it's something that we should take for granted why data governance is important. We should be able to explain it. And data governance has become important, increasingly important over the years, because the problems of managing data have also grown. We've gone through progressive waves of technology that have not only increased the volume and complexity of data, but also are enabling us to get more value out of it. So it becomes an important driver in terms of business success. But it's not something that technology alone can do for us. We have to have human control over our data assets, order them and arrange them. And even that is an important aspect of data governance, just having our data assets in an orderly manner arranged in our data landscape, rather than just a kind of a landfill or mess of data which nobody really knows what's going on. And also, data is unique in that it's a resource that can be reused infinitely without being consumed. It's not like an industrial age resource which gets consumed as we use it. So we can get infinite value out of data, but that means we have to discover data, we have to know where it is, we have to be able to understand it, we have to assess its quality to make sure it's fit for the purpose that we want for it, and people may have very different purposes for the same data. So all of this is why data governance is important, because without it, we can't extract that value. We'll only be able to use data in the way of it being kind of a byproduct of operational systems, and it won't be available for us in an analytical context. And the analytical context really is what's driving things today. It was, first with business intelligence, then with more complex analytical reports, then with machine learning models and data science, and now with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is an extremely important one if you think about the data preparation that needs to go into an AI LLM. We, for instance, cannot really put in personal information or sensitive information because we can't get it out of the LLM again. It's going to be in there for good. So it's important to govern the kind of data that goes into it. So these are just some examples of the importance of data governance. There's many more, but I hope I've given you a flavor of what some of the reasons are.